selling on Amazon is dead. It's finished, it's over. But while we mourn the death of selling on Amazon, in this video, we're going to talk about what isn't dead and how to build a successful brand in 2020, and we're doing it right now. Oh, we've got a good one today. But speaking of good things, if you want to build a real business in 2020 that can free you up from that grip that money so easily places over time, if you want to stop trading so much time for money, then a good thing you can do is subscribe with those notifications on, because it's my hope that this channel will help you do exactly that. So that's right, it's official. The Facebook forum rumors are true. The fearmongers were right. Selling on Amazon is dead. And listen, I know this video is going to get me a whole bunch of thumbs down, but this isn't clickbait. I'm going to tell you exactly why selling on Amazon is actually dead. It's a mentality that we need to move away from, and we're going to talk about it in this video. Here's the thing though, right? I kind of hesitated before I did this video because this video title, it's been used before, like quite a few times. Now, most of these videos are in response to negativity, perceived negativity around selling on Amazon. The idea that now more and more people are finding out about it, that it's becoming saturated, and people say that, you can't do it anymore, there's too many people selling on Amazon, and then people will make videos to kind of rebut that. And kind of how most of those videos go, I mean, I can't claim to have watched all of them, but most of them go like this. The title, "Is Amazon FBA dead?" Shock horror. And people obviously will want to watch that. And then they say, no, Amazon is not dead. It's still an amazing opportunity. All you need is one product and it will change your life. And buy my course and I'll show you how. It's kind of how a lot of those videos will go. But in this video, I'm going to actually confirm your suspicions and let you know that selling on Amazon actually is dead. The way it's been taught in the past and the mentality of just selling on Amazon, those days are over. And going into 2020, if you want to build a real business that's profitable, that allows you to scale and gives you the lifestyle that you dream of and helps you make an impact, then you got to sell multiple products on multiple platforms. You got to build a real customer audience, and you got to make an impact on the world. And now listen, that doesn't happen overnight. It does take time, but hopefully by engaging with this YouTube channel, you can learn the step-by-step of how to do that. I recently made a video about product research, which you can check out up here. And I addressed the whole idea of just launching one product to build a brand that's going to change your life. And I kind of rebutted that with some thoughts, and you can check those out in that video, about how I don't feel like that's necessarily a healthy way to look at things, because there's a lot of risk involved in that. I don't see really any brands on the planet today that are successful that literally only have one singular product. And if you want to build something of substance, then you need to think beyond just a single product on Amazon, and actually, how am I going to build something here that makes an impact in the real world? Despite popular belief, I'm not an Amazon fanboy. It's funny, one of my friends joked with me recently when Amazon Prime had the football streaming on midweek a couple of weeks ago, and he said, "Oh, I thought you'd be on the punditry panel," and I thought it was a joke, a Peter Crouch joke, right? Because I'm 6'7", and I was like, "Oh, classic, yeah, that's a good one. Never heard that before." And he was like, "No, because Amazon," and I was like, oh yes, the Amazon link. And it's funny because people in my world think that I'm obsessed with Amazon, and I think it would be you'd be easily led to believe that I am, or this space, there's a lot of content created about Amazon, that there's all these people obsessed about Amazon. Reality is, I don't love Amazon. I don't love Jeff Bezos personally, although Jeff, if you are watching, leave us a comment down below and let us know. I don't personally think that Amazon is the be all and end all. It's not the end, it's just the means to an end. And there's so many people obsessing about Amazon, thinking that Amazon is everything, our entire focus. It's not the golden goose that lays the egg. It's not the silver bullet. It's not the absolute everything. It's only a means to the end. It's one means to the end. And whilst Amazon isn't everything, it is some things. Whilst the mentality of selling on Amazon may be dead, there is still incredible opportunity on this platform. And here's 3 reasons why. The first thing that Amazon is, it's a launch pad. Amazon is still, without doubt, the best place to launch a private label product in 2020. The reason is because Amazon deliver so much for you. Number one, they deliver an incredible amount of traffic. This is what helps you launch your product with success, because they are bringing buyers to you. Normally, when you start a business, you have to go out and find those customers. You actually have to market your product to those customers to get them in front of your product. But Amazon do so much of that work for you. Most of the Amazon marketplaces have in the hundreds of millions of visitors every single month to their website. The US has over 1 billion visits every single month to its website. The traffic is insane, providing you with an opportunity to launch your product to this traffic with great success. Buyers trust Amazon. They place trust in the Amazon brand, which gives us a whole load of equity that we never would have had before. Which brings us on to the second thing Amazon is, which is leverage. Archimedes once said that if you give me a big enough lever and a fulcrum on which to place it, I could move the world. Now, you might not want to move the world. Maybe you just want to move your financial situation into a better place. And that's okay. But what you need to know is that Amazon is incredible leverage to enable you to do that. One of the things that you can leverage with Amazon is the FBA program. FBA meaning Fulfillment by Amazon, where you send your stock into the Amazon warehouses and they actually pick, pack and ship all your orders for you, deal with returns, deal with customer service. Actually, by enabling that service and by utilizing it, you can leverage their time, you can leverage their people, you can leverage their warehouses, you can leverage so much in order to move an incredible amount of products through the Amazon platform. See, before, when you started a business 20 years ago, you didn't have access to any of that, but now you can leverage so much more, which means that Amazon is still the most incredible opportunity. You can also leverage the global marketplaces, 15 or more and growing marketplaces all across America, Europe, Asia, and beyond. This continues to grow at incredible pace. But the third thing that Amazon is that you need to understand when thinking about selling on Amazon is it's limited. It's not the wide open space it used to be 5 or 10 years ago. You can't just throw up an average product that you slap a label on with your logo, throw it into Amazon and expect to get rich overnight. It doesn't happen. That old way of thinking of just selling on Amazon is over. But what I want you to know is that this is actually a positive. Because the first thing that happens is it actually eliminates lazy people from this game. The people that don't want to put in the work to build a brand, to create a great product, to market it well, then they get eliminated from this opportunity. So it leaves the people that are actually passionate about building something great, like you. It leaves the people that are actually willing to put the work in. See, most people just wish for it. They say, oh, I wish I started 5 years ago, 10 years ago. I wish I'd started when it was easier. And then, there's those that wish for it, but then there's those that work for it and say, I'm actually willing to make this happen. And that's actually a positive for you, because not only does it eliminate those lazy people, it also makes you a better business person. It provides you, it trains you in the skills and the mentality and the strength to be able to build something of substance. You see, if you're just looking for momentary tactics, the next hack, the next fad in getting some quick wins on Amazon, probably other channels are going to be better for you. But if you want to build a real business that has longevity, that makes an impact, a real brand that you can be proud of and tell your friends about and let people know I own this thing, then this is a great place for you. And make sure you subscribe with those notifications on, because that's what this channel really revolves around. Amazon's an incredible launch pad. It provides you great leverage, but it is limited. But the good thing for you and I is that we turn that into a positive and we realize that this, number one, it eliminates competition. And number two, it causes us to be better people that build better businesses. To succeed in 2020, you need to stop thinking about selling on Amazon or running an Amazon business. And you need to think about building a brand. Building a brand of products that serves a customer base in the real world. Can you do me a favor? This Christmas, right now, time of recording is coming up for Christmas. Or if you're watching it after Christmas, the next time you get together with friends or family and they ask what you do, don't tell them that I sell on Amazon. Please don't tell people I sell on Amazon. It really is such a limiting way of speaking about what you do. You do so much more than that. And by actually communicating it to people in a way that says, you know what, I own a pet brand, or I own a fitness brand, or I'm building a home and garden brand, whatever yours is, right? By communicating it that way, not only does it let them know that you're doing something more than just selling on Amazon, but it also begins to change the way you think about it and you feel about it on the inside, saying, hey, actually, I'm doing something bigger than just selling random crap on Amazon, right? I'm building a brand of substance. If you're just starting out and you want some help and want to understand the process more of how to build a brand that you own, that creates an impact and brings change in your life too, then make sure you check out the free Brand Builder Bootcamp course that I recently created. You can check it out in the link in the description below, or up here somewhere there'll be a link for it too. Enroll in that. That'll teach you the 4-step process of how to build a real brand by leveraging the power of Amazon in 2020. Check that out. And if you've liked the video, I would love it if you left a thumbs up down below, and also leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought. If you agree, if you disagree, I'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. All right, I will see you in the next video real soon.